Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Sonic key fob. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. This process can take about 30 minutes, so ensure your car battery is fully charged. You'll also need to locate the key lock cylinder on the driver's side door to begin the programming sequence. To start, insert your physical key into the driver's door lock cylinder. Now, turn the key counterclockwise to the unlock position 5 times within a 10-second window. Your vehicle's Driver Information Center, or DIC, should then display a message like Remote Learn Pending. Please wait, confirming you've entered the programming mode. Once you see Remote Learn Pending, wait for 10 minutes until the DIC changes to Press Engine Start button to learn. Press the Engine Start/Stop button, and the message will reappear. You need to repeat this 10-minute wait and button press 2 more times. This completes the 30-minute learning cycle, preparing your vehicle for new fobs. Now place your new key fob into the front cup holder or the designated transmitter pocket. Press the Engine Start/Stop button to program it. The DIC will confirm and prompt for the next fob. Repeat for all additional fobs. When finished, press and hold the Engine Start/Stop button for about 12 seconds to exit programming mode. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.